about the lights or something I had. Ooh.
Gear up.
What the hell, JD?
25 for 50%. 50%, 0. 25%, 50%. 50%. 50%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 50%. 0. 25%, 50%. 50%. Warning, 30 seconds.
Okay.
Warning, 20 seconds.
That could be a bumper. The propellers are.
50%. Altitude 500 feet. Time remaining 3 minutes. Altitude 448.3 feet. 50%. 0. 25 for 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Why of shame or something
25%.
like that.
25%.
You don't have any gear down.
50%.
Magic. Look how steady that was. Whoa! Oh!
Exactly. Nose heavy, you might damage something. Tail heavy, you might not have an airplane.
Yeah, I got a 70mm F-16.
This is what you need to do.
Gear up. 25%, 50%. 25, 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoa, shoot. That was almost bad. I went upside down, didn't realize it.
50%.
Oh no.
You got to back up.
That's the beauty
50%.
of gyros, right?
Now we got the switch.
0. 20, 50%.
See that?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Not as good.
50%.
Around 6. Okay.
20. 50%. 50%. 50%.
Yeah, it was just a hair fast. I didn't want to ding a wingtip, you know.
All right.
25%. 0.
Was that 70?
NPS.